Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today I am taking up one more special topic, that is I am going to render this beautiful song Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. This is a composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita and it is set to Raga Shanmukha Priya, which is the 56th Melakarta Raga in the Carnatic classical music. So I am going to first render this beautiful song and then I will give you the verbatim meanings also as I render it. So here I go, my dear friends. Of course I don't know the Swara Prastaras, but I can sing fairly well. So here I go. Siddhivinayakam Anisham, composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita, set to Raga 56th Melakarta, that is Shanmukha Priya. So here I go. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha. Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Matrubhyo Namaha. Pitrubhyo Namaha. Ruchibhyo Namaha. Munibhyo Namaha. Acharyebhyacha Namo Namaha. Sarvebhyacha Devi Devatabhyacha Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers. So now I am going to start this song. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtatadayakam Varam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtatadayakam Varam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham. So this is the Pallavi. So what is the meaning? So you will know the meanings now. Siddhivinayakam Anisham. Anisham in Sanskrit means always. So Chintayamyaham, I always meditate or think about or think of Lord Shri Varasiddhivinayaka. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. I always meditate upon Lord Shri Varasiddhivinayaka. That is the meaning. So what is the second padam? Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtatadayakam. Prasiddha is world famous. He is very famous. Lord Shri Varasiddhivinayaka, Lord of all the Ganas, all the various groups, various Siddhas. He is the Lord, Siddhivinayaka. So then Vishishtatadayakam, he delivers or bestows special boons to his devotees. Vishishtatadayakam, bestows special boons to his devotees. That is the meaning. Varam means the Shrestha, the best among all. The great one, the best among all. That is the meaning of the Varam. So this is the Pallavi. Then we will move on to the Anupallavi. So Anupallavi, what it says is Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Akhila Jagat Prasiddham. Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Akhila Jagat Prasiddham. Moola Pankajamadhyattam Modakahastam. Moola Pankajamadhyattam Modakahastam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham. So that is the Anupallavi. So what it says? Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. He is worshipped by Siddhas and the Yakshas and the Kinnaras. The Siddhas, Yakshas and Kinnaras are various divine creatures created by the Lord Almighty. Yaksha, Kinnaras, these are all various divine creatures created by Lord Almighty. So he is worshipped by all these divine creatures, and the divine Siddha Purushas, Siddhas, Yakshas, Kinnaras are all worshipping Lord Almighty, so Lord Shri Ganesha. And Akhila Jagat Prasiddham is world famous. And then Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Akhila Jagat Prasiddham. Moola Pankaja Madhyattam. Moola Pankaja means, so we got this 7 chakras in our body, And Ganesha is the Adidevata of the Mooladhara Chakra. So in every chakra there is a lotus. He is seated on the lotus, in the center of the lotus, and the Mooladhara Chakra, Moola Pankaja Madhyastham. For Mooladhara, Ganesha is the Adidevata. For Mooladhara Chakra, Ganesha is the Adidevata. So Moola Pankaja Madhyastham, he is seated on the lotus, the divine lotus, in the center of the divine lotus, and the Mooladhara Chakra. That is the meaning. Moola Pankaja Madhyastham. And then Modaka Hastam. He is one of the hands. He is having his favorite dish, that is Modaka. So that is the meaning. So that is the Anupallavi. Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam Akhila Jagat Prasiddham Moola Pankaja Madhyastham Modaka Hastam. That is the Anupallavi. So now we will move on to the Charanam. Charanam, what it says? Bhadrapada Shukla Chaturtyam Brahmanadi Pujitam Bhadrapada Masa Chaturtyam Brahmanadi Pujitam. So it says about the Varsiddhi Vinayaka Vrata that comes during the Bhadrapada Masa, Bhadrapada Shukla Chaturthi. So Brahmanadi means all the Varnas will worship Lord Varsiddhi Vinayaka, not only Brahmanas, Brahmanadi, Brahmana and others, all other, even Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, all the people worship Lord Varsiddhi Vinayaka on that particular day. It is very famous. So during Bhadrapada Shukla Chaturthi and the Bhadrapada Masa Shukla Chaturthi, all the people are going to worship Lord Shri Varsiddhi Vinayaka, including Brahmins and others, all other castes. All people worship him. Brahmanadi Pujitam. So moving on, what it says further? Bhadrapadamasa Chaturthyam Brahmanadi Pujitam Pashankushadharam Kshetra Chamara Parivijitam. Pashankusha means in one of the hands she is having Pasha, that is noose. In the other hand, he is having a gourd, that is Ankusha. Pasha Ankushadharam Kshetra Chamara Parivijitam. He is having a divine umbrella, who is honored by a divine umbrella, and then the flip flaps, the Chamara Sevi. It is honored by these two, divine umbrella and the flip flap Chamara. So that is the meaning. Kshetra Chamara Parivijitam. Devotees are fanning him with Kshetra Chamara. Chamara Seva they are performing. Kshetra Chamara Adi Parivijitam. So they are fanning and honoring him. So that is the meaning. Next, moving on. Raudra Bhava Rahitam. He is without any anger. Next, moving on. Dasa Jana Hrudaya Virajitam. Raudra Bhava Rahitam. Dasa Jana Hrudaya Virajitam. He is shining in the hearts of the simple devotees who are not egoistic. He will only shine in the simple hearts of the devotees who are not egoistic, who are very humble. So Raudra Bhava Rahitam, then Dasa Jana Hrudaya Virajitam. He is without any anger and shining in the hearts of the simple and humble devotees. That is the meaning. So moving on further, what it says, Rohine Anujarchitam. Rohine Anuja means he is the younger brother of Balrama. That is Lord Shri Krishna also worshipped him. Rohine Anujadi worshipped him. Even Lord Krishna worshipped him. You know the Samantaka Manikate. There even Lord Krishna worshipped Lord Ganesha. So that is the meaning. Rohine Anujarchitam. Ishana Varjitam. He is without any desires. He is above all the desires. That is Lord Shri Varsiddhi Vinayaka. Ishana Varjitam. Then moving on. Adriraja Sudatmakam. Adriraja means king of all the mountains. Adri means mountains. Adriraja is king of all mountains. Adriraja Suta means Parvati, goddess Parvati. Atmaja means he is her son. So Adriraja Sutatmakam Ananta Guru Guhagrajam. He is the elder brother of Lord Guru Guha, that is Lord Subramanya. So that is the meaning. Adriraja Sudatmajam Ananta Guru Guhagrajam. Adriraja Sudatmajam Ananta Guru Guhagrajam. Bhadra Pradapadambujam. That is Padambuja means his divine lotus feet. Bhadra Prada means he delivers bestows auspicious boons to his devotees. Bhadra Prada Padambujam. So his Lord Ganesha's divine lotus feet bestows auspicious boons to his devotees. Bhadra Prada Padambujam Bhasamana Chaturbhujam. He is shining with 4 arms, 4 hands. Which are these 4 hands means? One who is having a pasha in one hand, an ankusha in another hand, and another hand is having a sweet dish. Modaka is the favorite dish, and another hand he is showing Abhaya Hasta to all his devotees. So Bhadra Prada Padambujam Bhasamana Chaturbhujam is shining with 4 hands, which bestows these auspicious boons to his devotees. So now we have covered all the Pallavi and then Anupallavi and the Charanam also. Entire lyrics, full lyrics we have covered. I am giving the full lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those are interested, please take snapshot and mug up this. Now we will just come back and render this beautiful song once again. This composition, beautiful composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar set to Raga Shanmukha Priya Siddhivinayaka Manisham. I am going to render it again fully and then we will wrap up this video, my dear friends. So here I go. Siddhivinayakam Manisham Chintayamyaham. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtartadayakam Varam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham. Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtartadayakam Varam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Siddhayakshakinnaradisevitam. Siddhayakshakinnaradisevitam Akhila Jagat Prasiddham Moola Pankajamadhyattam Modakahastam. Siddhayakshakinnaradisevitam Akhila Jagat Prasiddham Moola Pankajamadhyattam Modakahastam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. So now we will move on to Charanam. Bhadrapadamasa Chaturthyam Brahmanadipujitam. Bhadrapadamasa Chaturthyam Brahmanadipujitam. Pashankushadharam Chhatrachara Parivijitam. Pashankushadharam Chhatrachamara Parivijitam. Raudrabhavarahitam Dasajana Hrudaya Virajitam. Raudrabhavarahitam Dasajana Hrudaya Virajitam. Rauhine Anujarchitam. Rauhine Anujarchitam. Bhadra Pradapadambujam Adriraja Sudatmakam Ananta Guru Guhakrajam. Adriraja Sudatmajam Ananta Guru Guhakrajam. Bhadra Pradapadambujam Bhasamana Chaturbhujam. Rauhine Anujarchitam Ishana Varjitam. Rauhine Anujarchitam Ishana Varjitam. Bhadra Pradapadambujam Bhasamana Chaturbhujam. Siddhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham. Prasiddhagananayakam Vishishtartadayakam. So Hari Om Satya Jai Shri Ram. That's it, my dear friends. So in the next upcoming video, we'll take up one more such beautiful song from the ocean of Carnatic classical music. and render it, and again I'll deliver the verbatim meanings. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas TP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore level. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762 331 My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati, Jai Shri Ram, Namaste.